Subscribe IHMFLIX.
Praline has its roots in European confectionery, especially France, when caramelized sugar and nuts were combined to create a rich, nutty sweet. Over time, this simple preparation became a foundation ingredient in classic and modern pastry kitchens across the world. To make praline, begin by heating sugar gently in a pan until it melts and turns golden brown. This stage is crucial as proper caramelization develops deep flavor and color without bitterness. Once the sugar reaches a rich amber shade, add roasted nuts such as almonds or hazelnuts. Stir quickly so the nuts are evenly coated with caramel. Then pour the mixture onto a greased surface or silicone mat to cool. Allow the praline to cool and harden completely for a few hours. After it sets, break it into pieces and grind it using a grinder or food processor until it forms a coarse powder or a smooth paste, depending on the use. Praline is widely used in pastry and confectionery for fillings, chocolates, cakes, mousses, ice creams, and desserts. It adds a rich caramel nut flavor and enhances both texture and taste in professional bakery products.